Hello children, how are you? So today our lesson is Sant Kabir Das. Do you know him children? Have you heard this name even before? He is great poet personality of our nation. Okay, Kabir Das is writing poetry and he is very famous, isn't it? हिंदी के महान कवियों में कबीर दास का नाम सर्वश्रेष्ठ है, वेरी ग्रेट है, ओके, वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट है. काशी के लहर तारा नामक स्थान में इनका जन्म हुआ था. He born in a place. What is the name of his native place? Lahar Tara. Okay. His mother is a widow. And एक विधवा ब्राह्मणी ने इनको जन्म दिया था. So his mother is widow. And नीरू नामक मुसलमान दंपति के यहाँ इनका पालन पोषण हुआ था. But he brought up in the Muslim's house. कबीर अनपढ़ थे. ही इज़ ए इलिटरेट. ओके, बट लेकिन अनुभव और आत्मज्ञान के बल पर ये महान संत साबित हुए. बिकॉज ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस एंड आत्मज्ञान मीन्स वॉट? आत्मज्ञान मीन्स एनलाइटमेंट. ओके, सेल्फ नॉलेज. बिकॉज ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस एंड नॉलेज के बल पर, ओके, बिकॉज ऑफ नॉलेज एंड enlightenment, self knowledge, he become a very famous poet, okay, in our country. Palan poshan means brought up. Okay, after born we have to take care of our children, we have to take care of our baby. Atmagyan means self knowledge, that is enlightenment, and palan poshan means brought up. So he is a best, he was a best Kavi of our India. Okay, Sarvasesht means the best, best one, the best piece. इनकी भाषा क्या थी? इनकी भाषा सदुक्कडी थी. ओके, हिज मदर टंग इज सदुक्कडी. इनके विचारों और भावनाओं को इनके शिष्य लिपिबद्ध कर लेते थे. लिपिबद्ध मीन्स रिटन, दे आर इंस्क्रिप्ट, they are writing. Okay, so इनके feelings and thought को इनके students, इनके followers लिख लेते थे. Okay, they are writing. So शिष्य means इनके students, followers. Okay, लिपिबद्ध means they are written in script. Okay, and then vicharo means इनके thought. Okay, golden thought. Okay, and bhavnao means feelings. Okay, feelings. So what does it mean? It means Kabir Das has some students or followers. Okay, whatever Kabir Das says, his feelings, his thought, his shishya means students, they are writing, they are inscripted for the future. Children, concentrate here. कबीर की 3 रचनाएं प्रचलित हैं जो सखी, सबद और रैमनी के नाम से संकलित हैं. रचनाएं मीन्स तैयार करना, और you can say formation. Okay, and prachalit means popular. His written work is very popular. The name of the book is Sakhi, Sabad or Ramani. Sankalit means compiled. Okay, in volume 1 or in volume 2, like this. It is not clearly here written, but Sankalit means compiled. Whatever he wrote, he is compiled. Then only their future generation can read. Isn't it? So children, Kabir Das has written 3 more famous books, whatever that is, Sakhi and Sabad. So these are compiled, okay, in volume 1 or in volume 2, like this, for the future generation. कबीर भगवान के रूप और रंग को नहीं मानते थे। ये मूर्ति पूजन का खंडन किया करते थे। What does it mean, children? It means he don't like idealism. Okay? And his Murti Pujan means idealism. Khandan means reject, denial, not accepted. Okay? He says God has no shapes. So he rejected worship of idol. कबीर ज्ञानी और महान थे। साहित्य जगत में इनका नाम स्वर्णिम अक्षरों में लिखने ज्ञानी योग्य है। इंटेलिजेंट, ओके। एंड स्वर्णिम मीन्स गोल्डन, अक्षरों मीन्स वर्ड्स, साहित्य मीन्स लिटरेचर, महान मीन्स वेरी पॉपुलर, आला दर्जा, योग्य मीन्स क्वालिफाइड. So Kabir Das is very intelligent, wisdom person. In the field of literature, his name should be written in golden words. He deserves this because he is qualified for this. So how great is Kabir Das, isn't it? Now our lesson is over here. I hope you would have understood and enjoyed by reading our great poet. Now we will continue our exercise and you can copy on your notebook. Okay?